Hi, I'm Matt from Educraft.org, and this is a series of videos that I'm starting with this one about how to do Minecraft modding for Forge 1.11. Now at the time of this video, Minecraft 1.12 is out, but they've changed a lot of stuff, and it's going to take some time for Forge and me to catch up with how things work. So my guess is I'm probably just going to end up skipping 12 and going straight to 13 when that comes out, just because I imagine the change to 13 is not going to be anywhere near as dramatic. But anyway, this is how you get started for Minecraft modding for version 1.11, which is a nice solid version of Minecraft. So this video is going to be pretty short and simple. It's just about how to get the files that you need to do Minecraft. Using the browser of your choice, you're going to type in a web address and download a file from a website. That web address is files.minecraftforge.net. Oh, it auto-completes it for me. That's nice. I'll type it out anyway. When you get to the website, you're going to have all these options. We're looking into going to 1.11, so click on where it says 1.11 and get 1.11.2. And then of all these big pretty files right here, I recommend going to download recommended. Those are the most stable versions. The newest ones sometimes have some more problems. And you're going to get the MDK, the Mod Development Kit. That's a file that contains all the source code, the source classes that you need from Minecraft designed by the Forge people. This is really important. You're going to see this screen. I have a blocker, but some of you might see some advertisements here. You're going to see a lot of stuff that's going to say, click me, I'm your download, click me. Don't click them. Click that skip button. That's it. That's the only thing you want to click here. All right. What? So you should have the option of where to download your file. I like to use my desktop, keep things really simple, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to put them on my desktop. Now that you have the file on your desktop, you are going to decompress it. So you just double click on it and you run whatever decompression software you like, and you get the folder format. And I like to change the name of the folder because it's a really long name, and I'm going to just call this folder Forge, F-O-R-G-E. No need to add all those extra numbers and things like that. You are going to have to type this name in a few times anyway, so it's nice to only have to type Forge. Alright, let's see what's inside. Ooh, look, we got all these pretty files, all these things. We don't know what it does yet. They're so weird. I find these .java files, and they open up and show this weird sort of language in a text editor. And yeah, so this is where all the code is for your mod and even for Minecraft itself. Is set up in this Forge system. So back in your browser, we're now going to go to www.eclipse.org, which is where we're going to download our IDE. That's going to take us to this website. Now sometimes with Eclipse it's easy to get the application version, sometimes you want to get the packages. I'm going to show you how to do either. So if you just want to run Eclipse on your computer, if you want to do multiple projects at a time, you might want to get the packages. If you want to just do one thing at a time and then get rid of it, worry about it later, just click on this download and download whatever you get. Otherwise, well, you click on the download and you would click on here. Otherwise, you can click on download packages, and you want to get the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers. This is the one you want. And make sure you get whatever. So now you have Forge in its uncompressed form, what you need to do. So I run Windows, and it's 64-bit Windows. If your Windows machine came out in the last 4 years, the name of this folder definitely 64-bit. It's a lot easier to type. And if for whatever reason it didn't detect your computer right, so I like to click on that long name to just Forge, pull-down menu up here, and only work on one mod at a Mac one or your Linux. Inside the folder, you see a SRC folder, main, Java. So anyway, we're going to click on the download to download Eclipse. These files that end in .java, and you can open them with a text editor, and you can see all this cool stuff right to my desktop. That's the Java code. That's the code for Minecraft. So if you're a seasoned Minecraft
it's
user,
nice. You've probably heard
we're going to get something that's going to help us write this code easier, called an IDE. In fact, I believe that now the moddable computer edition of Minecraft is called the Java edition. So you might be wondering, well, what's all this Java thing? Is that the coffee that the programmers drink to stay up late to code? That was a bad joke. I'm really sorry. But Java is a programming language that was developed in the late 80s, early 90s, something like that. And it is the programming language that Minecraft uses, at least this version of Minecraft. All the other versions of Minecraft, the ones for your phone, Windows 10 edition, the Xbox version, those are all in C++. But the only moddable one is in Java, and to mod it you have to know Java, and you have to have some files on your computer that let your computer understand and write Java, and so we're going to get those. Back to the browser, and we're going to go to a really simple www.java.com. And while here, you just click on free Java download. Whatever system you have, agree and start free download. Whatever system you have, it doesn't matter. I'm going to save it to my desktop. If it's a Mac, you're going to get a, what's it called, DMG file. A PC, you get an exe file. And then when you download it, you then run it. You get to go through the whole installation process. Just click next and keep moving. Alright, so I know you're getting tired of typing, but hey, this is the last website. You're going to go to www.oracle.com. When you get to the website, it's a company that makes Java. I think they bought it from the actual creators of Java. So you go to menu, you just have to hover over it, and you go down to trials and downloads, and then you go over here to Java, and I just go to all Java downloads, and it takes you here, and I find this Java downloads button, and this is what we want. We want the JDK. That stands for Java Development Kit. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to take you here. Two things you have to do. You have to accept the license agreement. You click on that, and then you pick which version you want. If you're running a Windows machine, 64-bit, as in your Windows came out in the last 2 years, you run that. If you're running a Mac OS machine, you want this. Linux, if you run Linux, you already know what you're doing. Okay, so because I'm running Windows on a 64-bit, I'm going to click on that to download it. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and it's going to take a little while because it's about 200 megabytes. When you run it, you're going to get a window a lot like when you installed your Java runtime environment, and this is called a wizard. You know, when you get these little screens, you just click through it and install. You just install the program, and then you're good. And that is literally all the things you need to install on your computer to mod Minecraft. You don't even need a copy of Minecraft. You have the source files. So anyway, that's it for this video. We're going to get into some more stuff later on about how to actually create your workspace environment, to create the sort of area on your computer where you're going to be able to write your code and then run it to test it as you're coding. Until then, that's not going to be a thing. Bye.